What is going on, you guys? So today marks the first day of actually working on the Rocket Bunny kit. We're actually going to be doing some cutting, fiberglassing, and bonding. So I have a couple things I want to get done by the end of this video. I want to get the fuel cap on the fender flare covered up with fiberglass and bonded and smoothed out and everything. And I need to cut out on the rears. I need to cut out that little end. If you guys saw the beginning of the video, the unboxing and all that. So we're probably gonna have to cut that. That's probably gonna be the first thing we're gonna do to actually try and get it, make it fit. It was sticking out a little bit from the rear, so we're gonna trim that down as well. Also keep in mind, I don't really know what I'm doing. I've never fiberglassed before, and I never bonded or body filled before, so it's kind of like a learning experience for myself, and hopefully all goes well. And also I got the spacers are in, so I'm gonna put the spacers on as well too. Hopefully I can accomplish that by the end of the video, so stay tuned. So I'm waiting for it to dry. It's still a little bit tacky, and I was just thinking, first time fiberglassing, it was a fail. I'm pretty sure this is considered a fail. So in my expectations, I don't really think I did that well, but oh well, I'm learning and we're gonna move forward. And meanwhile, I'm gonna get the car, back it up right here on the shade. I'm gonna put the spacers on it so we can start cutting the other fender of the rear, the little piece that goes back here. This little piece that's on the other side that wasn't allowing it to sit flush. So I'm gonna get the other piece and I'm gonna see how that fits with the spacers on it. So I got 2-inch spacers just to push out the wheels more. That way I can get the fender flares to sit perfectly how they're supposed to. So let's put the spacer on, and then we're gonna put everything back on the wheels and try and test fit the left fender flare. So it's all taped up and it looks a lot better. Right here you still have a little bit of play to move back and forth, but on top of here it looks all flush, semi-flush. I mean, not as bad as before, and the back doesn't really look that bad as before either. I'll put a before and after picture right now, but so far it looks pretty good. 2-inch spacers are good. So if I were to get new wheels, I'd probably have to go, since these are 8.5s, I'd probably have to go with 10.5s. I would have to go with 10.5s. So new wheels might be coming soon. So yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments down below, and let's go check back on the fiberglassing we did on the fuel cap on the other side. So the fiberglass is pretty hard already. There's some spots that it's still a little bit tacky, but it's still hard enough. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take away all the excess all around it and just smooth it out a little bit. I don't want to sand too much deeply because then there's gonna be holes. So hopefully I sand it good enough how it's supposed to be, and then I'll remove the cardboard from the other side, and hopefully it's covered with a flat sheet of fiberglass on the bottom. Hopefully, crossing our fingers. So it looks like I got most of the cardboard taken off, so there's still a little bit of cardboard left over, just a thin little layer of sheet. So I'm probably gonna just sand it down till you can see the fiberglass. So it ended up being perfect, just how I needed it to be. It has a flat sheet over it, so the only thing we have to do now is just cover this whole thing in body filler. We kind of have to blend it into the body, so we're gonna have to pile it up layer by layer. So this might take a while, so let's get started. So I think that should be good for the first coat. That's good. So now I'm just gonna let this dry, and then we're gonna mix up another golf ball and we're gonna do another layer. All right guys, so the first layer of body filler is already on there, so all I need to do now is just sand it and reapply the body filler, and then just repeat the process. So I'm gonna do this behind camera because it's gonna take a while, and I'll see you guys at the end product. Starting at 7:40 p.m. What is up guys? So I didn't really finish it just yet because I ran out of hardener, so I need to go tomorrow to Home Depot and pick up some more hardener and maybe some more body filler. I'm not sure yet. Probably for sure it's gonna be the hardener for sure, but that's where I'm gonna stop for tonight. I'm gonna continue this video till the next morning so I can sand it out tomorrow and show you guys the final product, and then I'll end the video. So that's pretty much it for tonight. I'm freaking tired, I'm exhausted, I'm freaking delirious, and you know, I've been up since 11:55 yesterday because I had to wake up for work, and I haven't gone to sleep yet, and it's already 9:25 the next day. So, and I still need to edit the video. I'll probably edit just a little bit because I'm pretty tired. I'm exhausted. I don't even know what I'm saying. I'm freaking delirious. So I'm gonna pick up this video. I'm delirious. So I'm gonna pick it up tomorrow morning, and we're gonna finish this up tomorrow. Oh, and I forgot to show you guys. This is what I have for right now. It's almost complete, as you can tell, and all we're gonna have to do is just sand over it, and we should be good. But I need more hardener, like I said, so we're gonna get that tomorrow. What's up guys? So it's the next day already, but what I just got done right now is I got done bondoing it. Like the hole's all covered up and everything, but what I'm doing now is I'm putting glazing and spot putty and just getting any pinholes that are like still left from the bondo. So I'm just trying to get it all smoothened out, and we should be good. So I got it all bondoed and glazed and sanded down to what it needs to be so you can apply the scratch filler primer. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. I'm gonna apply the scratch filler primer, and the paint I'm using is just Duplicolor Perfect Match scratch filler primer, and you can just find it at any hardware store. So we're gonna start spraying that on, and I'm not gonna be spraying it on like completely full coats. I mean, I just want to just cover this up just so I can see any imperfections. That way I can sand it back down and see where I need more filling and more glazing. So I got it all sprayed one color, and we're just gonna let that sit and let it dry. So after spraying the filler primer, I went back and sanded it down a little bit, and I don't know if you guys can tell right here, but right here there's the high spots, and it's all fiberglass. It's all part of the panel, so I need to apply more Bondo right here around the surface right here so it can smoothen it out. It's kind of like a back and forth thing, like I was telling you guys earlier on when we started this. So that's pretty much all I have to do now, is just redo a couple of things. But I mean, I showed you guys the basic concept of bondoing, glazing, and then just going back and redoing the whole process if you need to. But that's pretty much it, where I'm gonna end this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is the beginning of Project Rocket Bunny actually getting hands-on work. I already know, I could tell, it's gonna need a lot of work to it and a lot of cutting. Any other tips that you guys can give me, make sure you guys leave them down in the comments down below. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Peace out, and don't forget, embrace yourself.